Welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a recipient in Remitly on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch the Remitly app on your mobile device. On the home page, look for the Recipient tab on the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Now, tap on the recipient you would like to delete. Once the recipient's details are open, look for the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open more options. Scroll down until you find the Delete option. Tap on Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure about deleting the recipient. Tap Confirm to delete the recipient. Your recipient has been successfully deleted from your Remitly account. And that's it. You have now successfully deleted a recipient in Remitly on your mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.